Hey, what's going on? I'm Team Captain Chris, and these are the Executioners.
I'm Maddie.
I'm Valentina.
And we're from the Elkhart Area Career Center.
And we're here to win it.
Yep.
Hey, my name's Carly, and I'm the team captain for the LaVille Warriors.
My name's Thea.
And my name's Michael, and we have attention to detail.
It's kind of like a childhood dream, so it's really exciting and fun, and it's a new experience.
Cheesesteaks and water ice is what Philly does best. Tell the judges we prepared for them. Will not be continuing. Welcome to Ivy Tech, chopped Frankie Meatball style. Today, instead of the teams having team captains from Ivy Tech, they are actually going to have their teachers, their mentor, to take them to victory.
Frankie Meatball, is that you?
The ultimate meatball.
Underneath the basket, same routine. We got 3 ingredients for you guys. In front of you, you have ruby chocolate, fresh ginger, and kiwi. You have an hour to make a dessert, and your time starts now.
That when you make these desserts, because you can really use it for anything, just be sure that those kiwis don't hit too much moisture with your desserts. Make sure that the ginger's not super overpowering, right? You guys got this. I'm super excited to see what comes out today. So what do we got going on over here right now?
I'm bringing the butter and sugar together.
Okay.
And I'll add the dry ingredients and follow up with jam.
Okay. All right. Looks like you guys are well on your way, man. Good luck to you. So the ruby chocolate is going to be a very nice base for a chocolate layer, obviously. We kind of hearing what I was saying about the texture and flavor and stuff like that. Awesome. You guys are both plugging on real good, so let's crank it up a notch.
What are we doing?
Go ahead, tell him.
Basically, we're making cheesecake with
Cheesecake?
ginger crust. We put the ginger in the crust. And then we made strawberry kiwi filling.
What else is unique about the crust?
Oh, for the crust, we couldn't find graham crackers, so we used chow mein noodles.
Okay.
And so we put the ginger in with it, mix it all up, and then for the filling, it's strawberries and then we're gonna put candied kiwis on top.
That's
our
very,
plan.
very risky.
It is.
I know.
Go big or go home, right guys?
That's right.
Good luck.
Thank you.
I was a traditional home ec teacher, and then Indiana opened up the pathways. So now, you know, the kids can choose a career pathway in high school. So then I teach the Ivy Tech dual credit classes at Knox High School.
Dessert's cooking. We're coming down to the wire. I know the pressure is on. How do you guys feel?
I feel great.
Oh,
Yeah, I mean, I got a lot of creativity that I put in there because I was improvising, you know. We're thinking outside of the box because, you know, when you think of dessert, you think cookies, cakes, cupcakes, but you never think of homemade cheesecake with like homemade cheesecake base and, you know, I'm using outside of the box ingredients.
well, that's way outside the box.
Yeah.
Cheesecake is very, very time consuming, and it's either you do it or you don't.
Yeah.
There's no in between. It's either going to come out good or it's not. So, good luck. How are we doing today?
Good. Doing good.
Do you feel confident about what's going on?
I feel confident with the cookies, yeah.
It looked like there was a little bit of a slow start.
Yeah.
So how do you think you did?
I think we're gonna do good.
Yeah. You want to tell us what you made? A little sneak peek or something?
We made little ginger snap thumbprint cookies with a kiwi and ginger and lemon filling or jam, and we're gonna put some chocolate on top.
Win or lose, you guys are winners. You came in and you stepped off, and I appreciate that. Good luck.
Thank you. All right, you guys got 2 minutes left.
Guys, we got 10 seconds left, guys. 9, 8,
7, 6,
5, 4,
3,
2, 1. That's it.
Hands up.
Starts teams, what do you think?
It was tough. It was really tough. I envy you guys as someone who does pastry all the time, every day. Those were hard ingredients, and how do you make them all come together? Just good job.
I feel like you both utilized your time really well in both the preparations and then the execution. You guys worked together as a team really well. You guys communicated. It was great. I can't say enough about the camaraderie that you showed in this competition. I mean, Mishawaka, you came from round one all the way here. Same two people, right? Like, you guys didn't stop. You guys, fresh off the bench, you know, ready and rock and roll. You guys told me that dessert was your thing. You proved it. You guys all did a great job. You guys proved that you can handle yourselves in the kitchen. I'm blown away.
So what I'm going to say for both of us, great job. And I do wish both teams the best after high school.
It's a jungle out there. You gotta look out for number 1, but don't step at number 2.
The winner of the Frankie Meatball Chopped is
Let me tell you something you already know. The world ain't all sunshine and rainbows. It's a very mean and nasty place, and I don't care how tough you are, it will beat you to your knees and keep you there permanently if you let it. You, me, or nobody is gonna hit as hard as life. But it ain't about how hard you hit. It's about how hard you can get hit and keep moving forward. How much you can take and keep moving forward. That's how winning is done. Now, if you know what you're worth, now go out and get what you're worth. But you gotta be willing to take the hits.
So, that is the Ivy Tech Frankie Meatball Chop. So if you like what you saw, hit like and subscribe. And you know what, guys? Can we tell them? Yeah! Until next time! Forget about it, eh? It's a Frankie Meatball production.